What's up, guys? Oh my goodness, it has been a while. How are you doing, guys? Are you fine, guys? Personally, I'm fine, guys. So here with me I have onions, but before I tell you what we wanna do with the onions, welcome to my channel. Welcome back, guys. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this amazing channel. To my new subscriber, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I don't take it for granted, guys. And in case you have come across this channel for your very first time, guys, please consider subscribing. So I'm back again with an amazing video, guys. Guess what? Right now it's almost 7 p.m. and we are preparing supper. Actually, I'm cooking supper. We wanna cook supper together with you guys. We are cooking ugali with greens. Is it greens or cabbage? I think cabbage, guys. We wanna see, guys. Guess, comment down below, guys, what do you like? What would you like us to take ugali with, cabbage or greens? Comment down below, guys. So these are onions. We have just bought few onions to cook the greens or cabbage. We don't know. We wanna see, guys. So right there, guys, as you can see, our ugali water is boiling. Oh my goodness, look at the fire. Oh, it looks so pretty, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. Stay locked here, guys, and let's cook together. So guys, we have decided to mix cabbage and greens. So right now I'm cutting cabbage, as you can see. Then we want to mix them with the greens. Yo, and we call it a supper. Mnaonaje guys? Mnaonaje? I know how to do it. Cause why not? Why not? Yummy. So guys, we are done cooking. These are our burgers and some ugali right there. We have burger and ugali right there, guys. Yeah, and we are ready to serve our supper. We are ready to serve our supper. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe in case you have not yet subscribed. Like, comment, and share. See you in my next vlog. Bye.